everyone. My name is Lisa Michelle, and I want to show you how I did these beautiful baby boomer nails. Okay, first I'm going to edge the nail plate to remove all the shine. This reduces lifting. Girl, if you don't get all that dead skin off your cuticles, your nails will lift. So this is important. An important step is to remove all the dead skin from the cuticles. And after you've finished removing the dead skin, push back your cuticles. Okay, so right here I'm going to go in and start putting on my nail tips. I'm using my Kiss glue to put on the nail tip, and then I place it right at the tip of my nail. Okay, after I get the tips on, I clip the tips down to my desired length. You can keep yours long as if you like. I want mine short. Man, would you just look at these hang nails? I don't know what causes hang nails, but these look horrible. If you know what causes hang nails, comment below. Okay, the acrylic I'm going to be using will be this Mia Secret Cover Pink and my white custom mix. You add your nail primer. I'm using No Lift Nail Primer on all of my nails. Now it's time to lay down the acrylic. My first bead is going to be at the tip of the nail. When I do my baby boomer nails, I usually put the bead on all the tips first, and then I go back and fill in the nail. So the first bead goes on a tip. I brush that on. Cover all the tips with my Mia Secret Custom Mix. I start on my accent nail. My accent nail is going to be a full white nail. Oh, I forgot to mention, the brush I'm using is a number 8 Alpha Kolinsky brush. I find that using a smaller brush while I'm doing my own nails helps me control that acrylic better. This is the last bead on that accent nail. You want to place the bead close to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle, and fade it upwards away from the cuticle. Okay, when that's done, they should look like this. All the tips are covered with my Mia Secret custom mix. Okay, here I'm going in with my Mia Secret Cover Pink. I'm going to place one small bead near the cuticle, but not on the cuticle, and then fade the acrylic upwards toward the tip of the nail. I'm putting a thin layer here because I will be encapsulating and forming the nail with my clear acrylic. I repeat this step on all the nails. Okay, here's where I start encapsulating the nail. I put one clear bead near the cuticle, but not on the cuticle, and fade upwards. Right here, I'm using the clear acrylic for strength and also to cap the nail. So when I do start filing, I don't file away my ombre design. Okay, once you have laid your acrylic, now it's time to file and shape your nails. And once that's done, I go in with my e-file to further smooth out my nails. File away all those lumps and bumps you feel. Just file until you feel that your nails are smooth. File around your cuticles for a smooth transition. You want this part to look natural. And when that's done, it's buffing time. You buff and you buff your nails until they feel smooth. After you use your e-file or any file, you have lines in your nails, and what you use the buffing block to do is to buff away those lines. After I've gotten my nails as smooth as I can get them, I go in with the base coat. I put a base coat on all of my nails, cure, and put a top coat on all of my nails. And when I'm done with the top coat, I usually go in with my rhinestones and bling, cure one more time, and I'm done. I started doing my own nails, true story, because of a $10 charge at the nail salon. I went home, I looked up how to do your own acrylic nails, and it was a wrap since then. Aren't these nails beautiful? After the nails have cooled down, I get some cuticle oil, and this one is sugar. And a few days later, I changed the rhinestone design, but they're both still beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.